What's up, everyone? This is another project I did recently in my yard. I wanted a patio for a long time, so I just started digging one day. So after digging and digging and digging some more and getting rid of all the dirt, I went and bought some paver base and then leveling sand. Lots of trips to the store. This is about a 8-foot by 10-foot area, and leveled it off pretty well and packed it down. Then I bought these stone tiles. Well, they're actually porcelain, but anyway, I leveled each tile. They're resistant to mold, mildew, stains, and corrosion. And then I put pea gravel all the way around and in between every tile. So here it is. Those are the Adirondack Ski Chairs I made a while ago. I'm gonna have to do some painting on those. The fire pit I found for free on the side of the road and put skis around it. That's it for now. Later, hosen.